So let's talk about our beloved Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now sitting at 108,133. And the overall situation of Bitcoin has not changed. Believe it or not, I'll show it to you actually on 4 hours. You will see very, very interesting experience of Bitcoin. You can see these candles, just look at them. Each candle is 4 hours, and I'll actually zoom it in for you. Then maybe visually it will be a bit more enticing. Each candle is 4 hours. So this is one day, and you can see that apart from this one big candle, it's moving literally sideways. This is the most astonishing experiences, one of the experiences I have with Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is literally moving like this: one small candle up, one small down, up and down, and there is nothing. Of course, it was Saturday, now it is the beginning of Sunday. I can understand that the volume on weekend is low, but it has never stopped Bitcoin from actually making any kind of sensible movement. Generally, the volume is low, but there is some kind of action. But right now, the way Bitcoin is acting, I mentioned that in my Telegram community that it almost sounds like as Bitcoin is dead. I have not seen Bitcoin being this dead, but it is very, very funny. I today made a joke about Ethereum that it is stuck around 2,500, but I think that that joke applies kind of on Bitcoin as well. Anyway, let's talk about Bitcoin. What do we expect? Bitcoin is in a very straightforward case scenario, as I have mentioned previously as well. Bitcoin has a local support. Local means it's a mini support that is at $105,000. Its actual support is at 102,500. These are the bullish support areas that matters for Bitcoin. As long as, and I have even removed the 97,300 because I have told you in my previous video when I updated about Bitcoin the day before yesterday, I said that if it loses 102,500 area this time, then you should expect the Bitcoin is going towards $70,000. I don't think I'm going to rely on 97,300. I would assume that, okay, Bitcoin has lost its overall potential, and now the journey for the downward has started. Of course, for upward, it needs to break above 110, stay above that for more than 2 days, close 2 daily candles above 110, and only then I can say that, okay, now Bitcoin has started this journey towards 120. If it is not doing it, it can do whatever it wants to do, like it has spent one whole day on 108,000. It can do that, but none of this will give us confidence it is going to moon. We would still assume it will eventually go down towards the support area of 102,500. Once it touches that, then we will see what will Bitcoin do. So that is the overall situation of Bitcoin. For the rest of the stuff, watch my video on crypto market update. I'll talk about things in detail there, but for Bitcoin, this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.